Morning. Let's take a look at Project 5 today. So Project 5 will turn out to be 2 pages long, but all of the text is typed for you, so you just need to format it. This assignment should not take you very long, so all you're doing is quick little formats. So let's get started. I have here open Project 5 text. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and save as. I'm just going to delete this text, put in Sibs Danielle, and save. All right, so what we're doing here is a news release or a press release. This is written to provide the media with information about newsworthy items with the intent that they will get the word out to the public. Popcorn Cinema wants the public to know that starting immediately each and every Friday, all popcorn will be sold at half price. It is their hope that the new promotion will be published in a local daily and weekly newspaper and reach thousands of potential moviegoers. All right, our page needs to be 8.5 by 11. We're good on that. 1-inch margins on all sides. That's the default. And unless otherwise noted, the font should be size 12. So I'm just going to do Control A and confirm that it's size 12 and that it's actually the correct font. All right. So next, be sure the document's line spacing is set to single spacing with no additional line spacing between paragraphs. So I'm going to go up here and make sure that we are at single spacing. And make sure that these are both set at 0. We want no extra space between the paragraphs. On line 1 of the document, key the following information in 12-point bold left align, remove hyperlinks. So it's just these right here I need to make bold. Okay, we don't have to type them, they're already typed for us. In the book, I'm now on page 13, step 7. At the top right-hand corner of the page, insert the Popcorn Cinema logo of your choice. Resize the logo so it's in proportion with the rest of the document. So I'm going to insert, I'm going to go to my Tech Trends folder, Popcorn Cinema logos, and I'm going to put in one of these. Now, number 1, this is far too big. Okay, if I look at the answer key, it's just a small little logo. So I'll make this smaller, and then I need to go into wrap text and tell us to put this in front of the text, and then I can drag it wherever I want. I'm just going to move it here in the corner. Resize the logo so it's in proportion with the rest of the document. Leave one line blank. And then the following information should be 12 points, left align, all caps, bold. We want a double space right here. Then we're going to put in double space. And we want a 1/2-inch tab indent at the beginning of each paragraph, except the first one. So what we can do just right here is just come in here and press tab. If you turn on your formatting marks, you can see right where these new ones begin, so you don't actually accidentally do too many. But I'm going to go through and put in these double spaces. All right. Hit the enter key once and key the following 3 symbols, center line to indicate the end of the news release. Okay, so this these 3 right here, just go at the bottom of all news releases. It's just standard practicing. All right. We're going to bold Madison, Wisconsin, August 28, 2018. Oh, and the only thing that I missed is this right here. All of this is going to be double spaced. Oh, okay. This is just my bad. Go back through and get rid of those. Sorry, I misread. That's my bad. All right. Once it looks like this, it is good to go. You're going to save it. You're going to go through File, Save As. It's already in your folder. Now I'm going to go put it in mine. So student work, business, STIBS, completed work, check trends, project 5, save. And there you go.